In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the incentive email in Convertkit. To get started, log into your Kit account and head to the area where your forms and landing pages are stored. From the main navigation, go to Grow, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where you'll find the sign up form or landing page that's connected to your freebie or lead magnet. Open the specific form you want to update so you're editing the correct incentive email. Once you're inside the form editor, click on Settings. From there, select the Incentive tab. This is the section that controls the email subscribers receive after they sign up. So this is where you'll make all of your changes. Now you can begin editing the incentive email itself. First, update the subject line. This is important because it helps subscribers immediately recognize the email and understand that it contains the free resource they requested. Keep it clear and direct. For example, you might use something like, "Your free guide is ready." A simple, benefit-focused subject line usually works best. Next, edit the email content. This is the main message your new subscriber will receive, so make sure it sounds friendly, helpful, and easy to understand. You can add a short thank you message to acknowledge their sign up, and then clearly explain how they can access the freebie. If there's anything they need to know before downloading or opening it, this is the place to mention it. Try to keep the message concise so the most important information stands out. After that, customize the button text. This is the clickable call to action inside the email, so it should make it obvious what happens next. Phrases like "download your free guide" or "get instant access" work well because they're clear and action-oriented. Choose wording that matches the type of freebie you're delivering. You'll also have the option to add a redirect URL if you want. This is optional, but it can be useful if you'd like subscribers to land on a thank you page after they click the confirmation button. That page could give them next steps, extra instructions, or simply confirm that everything worked successfully. When you finish making your edits, click Save to apply the changes. As a final step, submit the form yourself using a test email address. This helps you confirm that the subject line looks right, the email content reads well, the button works properly, and any redirect page loads as expected. That's it. Once everything has been tested and looks good, your incentive email is ready to go.